We are actually a retail technology ecosystem. And we were really one of the first shopping centers to build out a co-working space inside of a mall.
We're located in the Westfield SF Center on the 4th floor, which is very central to anything in San Francisco. It's one of the biggest shopping hubs in the city.
I think what really differentiates us from our competitors is our focus on retail technology. So brands and retailers globally will come because they want to understand what is Westfield doing to transform the retail experience. So we'll take them on a tour, kind of share our stories.
So the last one was a Scandinavian tour. We've had people from Japan. Sometimes we get it from larger retailers. We've done an innovation tour for Hugo Boss team, John Deere's executive team. We've had companies like Nike's innovation tour come out of here and work here just to be around companies that are innovating.
On another level, a lot of them want to learn about what's hot in retail technology, and they want to connect with, Silicon Valley startups. So we can actually put them in a room and they can pitch to C-level executives as well. I do think the number one value to our space is the community. It's all about the people. So the space is built in a way to connect people, to facilitate connections, and it's a really feel-good space. A lot of people say they walk in and feel like a really strong energy, and I think that's a combination of the physical space combined with the community and the bespoke team. And that really makes it feel like a home rather than just a workplace.